One of the known writer, philosopher, and politician Benjamin Franklin said, if you do not plan, you're planning to fail. My name is Sewankambo Isma. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can develop, how you can create, how you can stipulate your trading plan in actually trading Forex. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you really enjoy the content that we provide on this video, please subscribe, like, and share. A trading plan is actually what defines what is supposed to be done, why, when, and how when you are trading. So there is not any one way we expect you to be successful trading Forex, trading any financial instrument successfully, and you benefit out of it if you really do not have a trading plan. Before you develop a trading plan, there are certain things that we expect to be in our trading plan, and if you're developing, these are some of the things that shouldn't miss out in your trading plan. One, a trading plan should have your trader's personality. In other words, if you're actually creating a trading plan, you have to design it based upon your personality, you as a trader, okay? Because if you can't design a trading plan basing on what ISMA is probably using, basing on what other traders are using, it's important you design a trading plan that is based on you and your personality. So as you're actually developing a trading plan, make sure it is something that belongs to you. It is something that is you believe is actually going to favor you. It's actually that is out of you. It is something that is really at least out of your ideology in the due course of the relatively the little time you have spent when you are trading currencies. So mind you, when you're developing a trading plan, this is what should be in place. This is what should be at least into consideration when you're developing one. So after looking or after designing, or before you actually design a trading plan looking into your personality as a trader, the next thing that we should pay attention or should be entailed within your trading plan should actually be the personal expectations. What do you expect out of trading? Why are you trading? What do you think of having at the end of the certain period of time? What do you expect to have as your positive edge over the market? Okay, so this should be your expectations. What do you expect of the system of the system that you've created based upon your trading plan? Because we are doing this because at the end of the day we want to be successful, we want to make money out of the market, because the more prepared you are, the more alert and perfect you're going to be when it comes to the market, other than just simply doing things that you really didn't plan. And probably if you have not planned, we expect you to suffer certain hindrances when you're actually trading. So it is important to have the personal expectations out of this trading plan, because all of us are not here in the markets because of anything but rather looking forward, making profits, and having our expectations out of the market. So when you're developing a trading plan, it is important to include or to cover or to design your trading plan based upon your personal expectation as a trader. Another thing that should be in your trading plan should actually be the risk management rules. What risk management rules do you want to be with in your trading plan? Because if we replicate the ideology of entrepreneurs, the entrepreneurs usually go for calculated risks. The same happens to traders. So if you are trading and you expect out of the markets, usually there are certain occurrences, there are certain ways of observation, there are certain ways of a dependency onto your risk management, money management rules. So you need to manage your funds. You need to know how much should I have in a particular trade. All this is entailed within your trading system, because rather within your trading plan, because some of you, I believe, may think of a trading plan as something probably to do with a tangible aspect or tangible component, but no, that's not what is all about a trading plan. A trading plan is actually the set of rules that you sit down in your bedroom, in your sitting room, wherever you are in your reading room, and design. You start thinking of what you definitely should have out of the market, basing upon what we have covered at first: your personality, trader's personality, to the expectations, what should be the risk, and then it's the risk that will again determine the expectancy. What do you having a positive edge over the market. What do I expect out of the market? All this is defined by the trading plan. So without a trading plan, I believe, or believe you me, there is nothing that can really be gotten out of the market. So this is actually found as a priority. It's found as a paramount, having a trading plan that at least should have the good risk management rules when you are trading, because it's out of the good risk management rules that we follow when you're executing a trade. So if you do not have them, we're not going to be in position to know how much we are risking per trade, if that is in dollars or in pips, and then we will not be still in position to know how much we can trade within a particular day. It still will come up with how many lots should be traded, and so on and so forth. So a good trading plan should at least define your risk management rules when you are designing it. Another component that we should have out of our trading plan should actually be a trading system, because believe you me, if we are trading, me and you, there's not any one way you can trade successfully if you do not have a trading plan, rather a trading system. So this system has to be actually proven. It has to be a proven trading system that is either on a demo account or on a live account. What we mean is that you need to be at least with a trading strategy, a trading system that we believe has been tested and it has actually worked out profitably and perfectly well. So you need to stipulate and see to determine your entry exits. This is all to do with indicators that you're going to use, the oscillators that you're going to use, are the things that you should look at when you're actually before you're executing a trade. So all this should be in your trading plan, and I believe one of the most major core panels of actually a trading plan should actually be a trading system. So have a proven system, and when you have all these will now make up what we refer to as a trading plan, a concrete trading plan in place, and it will help you succeed and make what you want out of the market. Because remember what Benjamin Franklin said: if you don't plan, you are failing to plan. So a trading plan is just a set of rules that you always follow before, during, and after trading, not only on a single trade, but to actually to a reference of all your trading journey. So all this should be in your trading plan. Remember, if you've planned, believe you me, there is nothing that is really going to come out of the market and challenge you, because at least you are planned and ready to attack each and every challenge that comes out of your trading. And now here I say, if you do not develop a clearly defined trading plan and be disciplined enough to follow it consistently, you will have much difficulty making consistent money as a trader. So have a clearly defined trading system, and if you really have it, do not only stop on it. I don't know if I can really emphasize, I don't know if I can really stress this enough to tell you that it's not only developing it and leave it aside, but then let's also develop our trading plan, and then have discipline. Follow it, okay? Follow each and every aspect of your trading plan. So if you really do this, believe you me, you will earn out of the market. So if you really find this helpful, if you really find this helpful and grateful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more information, please contact us below in the details below this particular video. Thank you so much. I do love you all. I sign out. Bye bye.